So, hello guys, Ashimen, that's your favorite poultry farmer, Godboot Kelly Chukwuebuka. This season of heat period that have been disturbing a lot of poultry farmers, both for broilers and layers. So, on this video, I'll be showing you guys 6 ways to eliminate heat stress on your poultry farm. So, before just come, let me show you something. So if you're a poultry farmer and you are doing both broiler and layer, this video is for you. Okay, and you're doing either broiler and layer, this video is for you. Now I'll be showing you guys 6 ways to eliminate heat stress in your poultry farm. Now it's very important. The weather is very hot. Yeah, the weather is very hot, and when the weather is very hot, there are some certain things you will do in your pen. If you are doing egg production, that's layered, it will help you to increase their egg production rate. Now, if you are doing broiler, it will help you to minimize stress on them, or it will help you stop stress on them. Remember, during heat period, heat stress reduce their production. For layers, it reduce their production, it reduces their production level. Why for broilers, it disturbs their growth. It gives them stunted growth. Sometimes you see that they will not even grow very well. Now in this video, I'll be showing you guys just 6 things on how to eliminate this stress in your poultry farm. Now, number one, we'll be looking at ventilation. Now, as a poultry farmer, when you are constructing your building, you need a lot of ventilation. Now, are you seeing here is well ventilated. Here is well ventilated. I saw the beam goes up. Now, why the beam goes up is we're looking at cross ventilation from one pen to another. So you need a lot of ventilation. Even if you can plant flowers, in your poultry farm is very important. Now, the distance between one pen and the other pen should be 10 meters away. Now, let me show you something. Come. So now we have, this is pen 1. Now this is pen 2. Now I don't know how if I'm measuring here, let me see. Okay, let's use here 1 2 3 4. See, it's not up to 5 meters. That means when we bought this fan, the engineer that constructed them made a mistake. It's meant to be 10 meters away from each other. It promotes ventilation. It promotes cross ventilation from one pen to another. That is why we planted these flowers. To promote good ventilation. Okay, that's number one. Ventilation goes a long way in your poultry farm. If you are doing broiler or layer, ventilation, let them have enough space. That's why on our this thing, if you check, we added just three bed on each room. Three bed on each room. It is very important. Ventilation goes a long way. Now, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well and can subscribe. Now, number two is, do not feed them in the hot afternoon. Now, come on, let me show you something. Now, we feed these guys around 6 in the morning. Now, for every week, there is a ration for them. That ration has been calculated for them to eat it from 6 to before 12. They are done eating that food. Now, this is 10. This is by 10. As you can see, they've already cleared their feed on their feeder. Now, there's always a ration. That ration will help them to consume their feed from 6 to before 12. They are done with it. Now, we feed in the morning and in the afternoon. We feed in the afternoon when the weather has gone down. Probably around 3. That's when we feed. Now, it is very important. Now, for layers, there's always a ration for them. That ration helps them to finish their feed before 12 when the sun comes out very well. Now, for broilers, it is advised, do not feed your broilers in the hot afternoon. Hot weather reduce their production level. Hot weather reduce their growth level. Hot weather kill them. Sometimes you see them heat stroke. You have sudden death syndrome. Sudden death syndrome in your poultry farm is caused by heat stress. It's mainly caused by heat stress. So every climate change has its own advantage and disadvantage in your poultry farm. Every climate change, during dry season or during rainy season, it has its own advantage and disadvantage to your beds. So number one, remember ventilation. Number two, do not feed them in the hot afternoon. Now, what they need at that period, afternoon, during hot weather, they need to be resting. They need to be having fresh cold water. Okay, that's number two. Now number three, I think I wrote them down. Now adding now number three, adding ice block to their water. Now during hot weather like this, what we do in broiler, we add ice block to the water. Now ice block for broiler help to cool their breast. Now if you check in your poultry farm during, if you're the one that do broiler during hot period, you see your broiler, they'll be lying one side, their breast is facing the air, facing the whatever. They are trying to receive fresh air on their breast. Okay. Now, if they are having heat period during the hot afternoon, it will cause them heat stroke. From heat stroke, it will, you see your baby getting paralysis. It's because of heat stress. From heat stress, from heat stroke, it will come to mortality. You see them, they will just isolate themselves. They are not eating, they are not drinking water. It is caused by heat stroke. I think we have one of those beds. Have you put them back? Okay, we had one of those beds that was affected by heat. I think the bed is okay now because we noticed it very early. We gave them multivitamin. We started giving them multivitamin. We just isolated it somewhere. Started giving them multivitamin. With time, it got back. So it's very important. Okay, now if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well and go and subscribe. Number one, remember I said ventilation is very good. Number two, do not feed them in the hot afternoon. Number three, adding ice block to their water. Now, number four, now water spray on them. Now, if you don't have fogger, you can just be spraying them water. Get a spraying machine. Spray them in the afternoon around 1, 2, 3 when the weather is very hot. It helps to cool them down. It helps to cool down the body temperature. Just spray them. If you cannot afford fogger, if you cannot afford fogger, you can use the spraying machine. It is very important. Sprayer help to cool their body temperature. Now, and not the other one, number five, installation of fogger. Now, basically, you guys must have seen our installation of fogger. Installation of fogger is very important in your poultry farm. It is very important. Now, if what does fogger do? Fogger help to cool your bed down during heat period. When the weather is hot, when the weather is hot, you on fogger is more the same thing like spraying water of them. Now, as a poultry farmer, do everything you can during hot weather to cool the temperature of your bed. Do not feed them in the hot afternoon. If you continue to feed them in the hot afternoon, you are causing a whole lot of, because you are causing heart attack, heat stroke, from heat stroke, mortality. Okay, so as a poultry farmer, do not feed them in the hot afternoon. Now, the last and not the least. Now, let me show you something. You see this pipe? This pipe stores water, and the water inside this pipe is always very hot. Now, the last one is flushing the water on their pipe. When you flush the water on their pipe, it helps you. Now, come, let me show you something. Let me just off this one. Now, this is not up to 10, 12. Let me show you something. Now, remember, I have off the water from there. Now we are trying to flush the water on this tank, on this pipe, because by now the water on this pipe is very hot. Now imagine your bed are taking hot water under hot weather. That means you are killing them. So let's flush it. As you can see, we are flushing. As you can see, we are flushing it out. Okay. Now, when you flush out, all the water on this pipe will go out. As you can see, it's going out. So it's very important. Always flush their water in the hot afternoon every day. Unforget for them. Do not feed them in the hot afternoon. Give them, what's it called? Give them, add ice block to the water. If you can even add multivitamin to the water, wonderful. Okay. So now, if you are using as a broiler platform, you are the one that use what's it called? If you if you use deep filter system, you can be changing their water continuously. If you're using normal drinker, you can be changing their water continuously. So it's very important as a poultry farmer. Eliminating heat stress on your bed goes a long. It avoids sudden death syndrome. It avoids heat stroke. It avoids heart attack. Okay, you just see your bed, enter your bed, you just enter your bed will start dying. Okay, now Ashemen, that's your favorite poultry farmer. We got both Kelly Paper. I believe these 6 points have we. I believe these 6 points will contribute a lot to your farm. Okay, so thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well and go and subscribe. Thank you.